Alrighty, so here we're going to do a quick video on comparing and rounding decimals. First, we need to put the sign, the greater than or less than sign for the first two numbers, 4 and 321 thousandths, and we're comparing it to 4 and 201 thousandths. So they both have 4 as the whole number, so we need to look in the tens place to determine who has the largest value. On the left hand side, 3 is in the tens place, and on the right hand side, 2 is in the tens place. Therefore, the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. So we will quickly indicate that with a greater than sign. All right, the next two numbers we're comparing, 6 and, because we don't say dot or point, we say and, 6 and 712 thousandths, and we're comparing that to 6 and 651 thousandths. All right, so they both have 6 as a whole number, so let's look at the first number in the tens place. The number on the right has a 6 in the tens place, therefore it is less than the number on the left. So I draw a greater than sign when reading from left to right, but if we read it from right to left, that reads 6 and 651 thousandths is less than 6 and 712 thousandths. All right, next I'll come back so that we can fill out the chart below. And don't forget, if you need to, use this quick little tip back down at the bottom. Whole number, the and symbol, the dot, the tens place, the hundreds place, and then the thousands place. Greetings, Mrs. Solutions is back with another quick tutorial on comparing and rounding decimals. So here we're going to quickly fill out this chart. We have these 3 numbers here, and we need to, in this column, round to the nearest whole number. In the next column, we're going to round this number to the nearest tenth. In the following column, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. And last but not least, we're going to round to the nearest thousands. Now remember, when writing a number or reading a decimal, you read it based on the last number in this place, okay? So our first number that we have here, we're rounding to the nearest whole, so we need to look at the number behind the whole number. That number is 2. 2 is less than 5, therefore we're going to round down, so our whole number is 5. Next, we're rounding this same number to the tens place, which is right here. This is the tens. So we need to look behind this place to determine, are we going to round up or round down? 5 or more, you round up. So that means this number rounds to 5 and 3/10. The 2 rounds up. Next, we're rounding in the hundreds place. This is our hundreds place right here. So that means we need to look at the number behind it to determine if we're rounding up or down. The number behind the hundreds place is a 9, therefore we're rounding up. So our number should read 5 and 26 hundredths. Last but not least, we're rounding in the thousands place. This is our thousands place right here. So we need to look at the number behind the thousands place to determine if we're rounding up or down. 5 or more round up. Therefore, this number will read 5 and 260 thousandths. Well, not thousands. This 0 here operates as a placeholder, so we will really read this as 5 and 26 hundredths. So I'm going to quickly round these numbers for you, and you can check your work and ask me questions in the comment section. 6 and 3/10, 6 and around hundredths, look behind it, 6 and 28 hundredths. No number here behind the hundreds, so it'll just be the number that it is. You try the last one and send me your answers in the comment section. Don't forget, subscribe. Peace.